Welcome back, everybody. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how an infinite while loop works, and then how we can use break and continue to manipulate an infinite loop. Okay, let's start. I'm going to print the line high in a while loop. Okay, so while. So to run a simple infinite loop, we can take the while loop condition as true, because true is always true, right? So true, print high. Okay. All right. So for now, that's all. So let's run, and you'll see that this will run forever. Okay. So I'm going to intervene and then stop it. Okay. All right. So now let's use a break statement to break it. So before that, I'm going to print the line number as well. So line equals, let's say 1, and I'm going to print high from line and along with the line number. Okay, from line. Okay, so you can test it out as well. This will also run forever. Okay, so I'm going to now increment the line. Okay, line plus equals 1. Okay, so let's run it, and it'll print the respective line number as well. Okay, so now let's say, well, we don't need to print this is infinite line. Let's say like up to when it reaches the line number 100, we're going to stop it. Okay, so we can add a break statement. Okay, so if break statement usually goes along with a break if statement to basically to recognize when to stop. So that means we need a conditional check. Okay, so let's say if line equals 100, oh, I'm gonna break. That's a break statement. This single line is the break statement. It doesn't print anything, it breaks. It's achieved the breaking of the loop. Okay, all right, so let's run it. Okay, so we printed up to 99. Okay, so because at the 100 number, it break the loop. Okay, all right, so imagine now we want to print only even numbers. Okay, so when the line is equal even, we're only going to print this high from line. Okay, so this is where the continue statement is useful. So you basically skip a line when one condition is true, and then continue to the next iteration. Okay, so you basically skip a line of code, the iteration of the loop, and then skip to the next iteration. So let's do that. Okay, so that basically if the line number is odd, we're going to skip. Okay, so line. So how do we check odd even? We take the check the remainder of 2, and then check equals for 1, right? That's odd. So this happened, the line is actually line number is odd. So then we basically continue. Okay. All right, let's see if this works. All right. So it seems like it's printing nothing. Okay. So let's see what's going to happen. Okay. So all right. So what will happen is that we are actually doing this continuation at the top. Okay. So every time the line is odd, it's going to continue. Okay, so this update's going to never happen. Okay, so let's put this over here. All right, so now it printed something, but still there's no skipping happening, right? So let's change this to over here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, if you check this code, and I'm going to bring it down to this line. Okay, so let's run it again. Okay, so we'll see that it's still not working. And you can see now Colab shows you what's the iteration is happening. Okay, so it comes to this line and then come to this line with not progressing to 7 and 8. Okay, the reason is the update is not happening. Okay, so I'm going to get this line. So I'm going to stop this over here. Okay, and put this line over here. Okay, all right, so we are now guaranteed to increase. Okay, all right, so let's run it, and you can see now we have been printing only when the line is an even number. Okay, so over here we're basically skipping when the line number is odd to next iteration, which is going to be even. And then from here we are guarantee, okay, we are continuation in the loop by incrementing. Okay, otherwise loop is still an infinite loop, because true is always true. But inside the loop, we are skipping the lines, and then when it reaches 100, we are actually breaking the loop. Okay, so this is a simple demonstration of continue and break statement and their utility in an infinite loop.